Oh, he's right next to me. Yeah. No, oh my god, it's so fast, he flew off. Directly opposite me. So over there. You see, the problem is over there, you can't see any of the studs, so you have to be really slow about it. We have to listen for him. Oh, there he is. He's gone back in that corner. What, bro? Yeah, I see him. But it takes a while to get over there for me. Oh, he's just legged it! What? Mum? I know, Mum. There he is. Oh, I haven't. Oh, you're flying into my face. Oh, God, it's. Oh, Jesus Christ, I've got a face full of wing.
So you're flying with it?
Yeah.
Oh my days, good for me.
We're just.
Yes, got him.
I got him.
Hold on, stay like that.
He's in the box.
Make sure he's not hurt.
And trapped his wing out of her. This is what I did last time. He flew straight out and flew for my face.
You need to get the box upside down on the floor.
Can you hold this?
Slowly drag it down the wall. Very slowly so you don't get trapped.
Why don't we just get a towel?
He'll fly out quicker than we can do this.
I won't. That's the idea. He's already in the box. We got him in without a towel. He's not happy though. Oh, he's really not happy. He's pecking.
Do you reckon we could open that side and grab him with a towel?
In the box is better though. Just put the towel, dangle it down the side. Needs to be up. So if I open a tiny bit, I can get
No,
the
hold
towel.
on, don't do that yet.
It's kind of hard to that thing right above it. Messes up the thing, doesn't it?
You need to grab the other side of the towel and when you tip it, try and get the towel over it. You've got to be pretty quick.
Wait. Is there another study you want? Stand on the side. Yeah, there is.
Wait, hold on. Here we go. Yeah. It's working.
Wait.
Oh, we've got it. Come on. Alright.
Got it?
Yep. Alright, get the phones and climb down. Leave me with one.
Okay. Right, I'll come this way. Make sure you don't hit that towel because he'll get out if he does.
Got a towel over the top. Tom were having a fight with it. It was like flying into his face and he'll bang it away. We got it. Push that towel, please. Don't push it. Awesome. It didn't die. That's cool. Can you move? Can you actually move that from?
Yeah, just drop.
Have you got all the towels?
Yeah, the one on it, I've got this one here.
Mum, could you move this? Can you move this? The table.
Yeah, just move it.
Just move it and move that thing as well.
It'll be better. It'll be better just do it. What?